Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some easy and beautiful ways that you can decorate your home for the spring using some of Dollar Tree's newest items. Now I did record this prior to Easter, so you're going to see a lot of Easter stuff here, but this will just give you some ideas for next year, right? You can always come back to this video and see how I decorate, because there is some Easter stuff and some spring stuff that I'll be showing you in this video. And as you can see, Dollar Tree always puts out a lot of beautiful Easter decor, and they have been stepping up their game with some new items and even more value to their items, being that their prices have gone up. I do like these carrot little bags with the pull to close handles there. I did pick up 2 of these because I think these would be super cute to hold silverware on your table setting. So I picked up 2 bags because I only need 3 for my family, but you pick up however many as you need. They also have these here of the little bunny, and they have many more that you can choose from for your desires. And they also have a ton of Easter eggs for your kids, your grandkids, your friends, whatever it is that you are picking them up for. They have a ton of options along with plates and napkins, and I'm pretty sure there are more, but I did kind of shoot this last minute, so a lot of things for, in regards to plates and stuff like that was kind of gone. They only had these 2 colors, so I did pick up the yellow, and they also have napkins. And then off to the side of the aisles, they have these beautiful eggs with a nice design on them, along with some string lights and this beautiful big old peep container that holds 2 other ones inside. I think this is a super nice item for doing an Easter egg hunt, or just for a gift basket, or anything that you would like to do to have multiple gifts inside of one. Is really cute. And as you can see here, they have different tablecloths for your spring and Easter table setting, which is awesome. And I do love that it's they're like, some are plastic and some are more of like a paper fabric material. And then coming over to the glassware section, I always love to check out this section because they always put out new things. And I did find a new item, if it's not throwing itself out there to you already. And what more amazing that it's in my favorite color. So I absolutely picked this up because I just love that gorgeous green. I think it goes super beautiful for spring decor. And of course, this is not just an Easter video. This is showing you how to decorate and things like that for the spring to welcome that springtime. These glasses here are new for me. I have not seen these. The only thing is I feel like they're a bit massive in the hand, but if you do like that, there they are, 2 different designs. So I'm going to show you now setting up the dining room table. I do have this beautiful spring I forgot what these are called. Comment down below what these are called. I completely forgot, but I did put some Easter eggs down in there. You can place down some more spring decor in there so it can be more for the entire season of spring. And then I'm going to place down my spring plates along with my carrot bags that are going to hold my silverware. And again, this is not, just because it has carrots does not mean it has to be for Easter. I feel like the colors go with spring very well, and it still looks good either way. So I'm going to use these for my silverware, which I think is really nice. I'm putting just a fork and spoon inside, but feel free to place down, your butter knife and whatever else that you may like inside of there. Maybe even a napkin as well can go inside of these bags. And then I am going to go ahead and close them with the string because I just like the look of it better. It kind of holds the silverware in there better as well, and give it of a more dressier look, in my opinion. So you can either close them up or you can leave them open. These would also be nice to place down a name card for your guests if you are inviting guests over for a nice spring dinner or whatever the case may be. And then I did place down some water inside of this bottle, which dresses up the table even more nicely and gives it an extra pop of color. You can place down as many of these as you would like. And I did go to Dollar Tree a little bit after this video, and I found that they just put out a newer color in this baby blue, which is awesome. So if you prefer the blue or the green, you can pick up whichever one, but I suggest that if you like these, you go on over and pick them up now because they are not going to last. I will tell you that now. They do tend to sell out from, you know, the prettier items rather quickly. So I would go ahead and check them out to see if you find them. But I absolutely love how the table looks. And of course, you can add a tablecloth if you would like. I sometimes like to leave the natural wood table. If you do have a wooden table, I do like the natural wood to show at times, so it's completely up to you. But I love how it looks in such a nice and simple way to dress up your home without breaking your budget. Now I'm going to go over and show you some of Dollar Tree's newest items for the summer and for the spring. They have out this beautiful collection with these different types, different hues of blue, which I love. And then I see this new pattern here. I did see the watermelon one last year, but this one is new with the crabs. I think that is super cute and I love it. It's very beachy. And they also have the tray right here. This is really adorable and I just love it. I think it's super cute for the summertime to give your house a nice beachy look if you're going for that in the summer or even the spring. But this is super cute. They are starting to put this out now, so it's always great once again to go early to pick up the stuff that you see that you like. And they also have those 4-compartment snack containers, which are super nice and convenient. But they are rolling all of this out right now, and it is a really gorgeous collection. I love the colors. Moving over to the dish section where you can find the plates and everything like that, I did find some new items for the kids, such as these princess bowls, and they also have Bluey and Spider-Man as well, which I think is super cute for your little ones. They even have the straw there to drink out of. For $125 or $150 is not bad for these bowls. They are super cute and they also come along with the plate. So if you have any Stitch, Spider-Man, Bluey, or Princess fans, then this is the place to go. I have noticed that Dollar Tree has been putting out a lot of themed items lately. I have been also seeing a lot of SpongeBob things for the bathroom, such as shower cloths and bath sponges, bath bombs, things like that, even spatulas for the kitchen. So they have been rolling out some themed items, which is fun. And how much better is it that they have the matching cups for those bowls and plates? You can see the Spider-Man one here. They have the Bluey, and they also have ones that color change, which is really cute and fun for the kids. They will absolutely love it. I think they are super cute. A little bit down from that same aisle, you can find some more spring plates and bowls, such as these right here, which are super cute. I love this pink checkered one. I think it's really nice. They do only have 2 left, so that goes to show you that they do sell out fairly quickly, or they could be just starting to roll these out. But these are really pretty. The blue bows there with the blue flowers are really nice for the spring. Let me know if you have seen any of these items already at your Dollar Tree, or what haven't you seen just yet. But moving along to the candle section, I found this new item as well. This cute little mini adorable lantern. I think these are super pretty and nice. I think these would look absolutely gorgeous for a table setting as well. How cute would these be just sitting around, maybe 2 or 3 of them around the table to give it some nice light when you are eating, just to give it a nice cozy and warm feel. You can see how it looks right here. It's super pretty and I love it for $1.25. I don't think it's bad at all. They do have the black and they also have it in white, but the whites I only found one of, so you do have to get them again fairly quick. Here are a couple other themed items that I found at Dollar Tree, just so you can have an idea in case you want to pick any of these up. But my friend, if you made it this far into my video, thank you so much for tuning in and sticking around. It was super fun showing you Dollar Tree's newest items and some ways that you can take their items to make your spring decor come to life for your home without breaking your budget. I absolutely enjoyed making this video and can't wait to share with you more things to come. If you made it this far, comment down below spring has sprung, and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which is highly appreciated as always, my friend. So thank you so much, and I will see you all on my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever my new videos drop, so you don't miss out on any of these new items and ideas on how to use them. I will see you all on my next video. Take care and God bless.